Hi all, Tim Cohen here. Just want to say thanks to Daniel Park and all the folks at TechSmith, makers of Camtasia Studio 2022. I just completed their Voyager Certification program. In this course you learn about video editing, saving time and effort, the visual elements, audio editing, and creating special effects. There are a lot of special effects that can be done, so this course only shows you how to get started. You also get taught how to do exporting, interactivity and mobile screencasting. Interactivity is a major feature in Camtasia. With it, you can make videos clickable. So including quizzes, surveys and actionable links are a breeze. When completed, this course awards you with a certificate of completion. But wait, there's more. The course also includes starter templates, themes, and media assets you can keep for future use. This course gets a gold star from me, for a job well done. That's all for now, thanks for watching.